Magandang hapon po ng Sunday, December 29, 2024. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 5pm draw result ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 5pm draw result ngayong hapon ng Sunday, December 29, 2024. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number ang lumabasan para sa 2D Lotto 5pm. 3D Lotto 5pm draw result ngayong hapon ng December 29, 2024 Sunday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero ang lumabasan para sa 5pm draw ng 3D Lotto. See you again later for 9pm draw result of Ultra Lotto 658, Super Lotto 649, 3D Lotto and 2D Lotto for Sunday, December 29, 2024. Here is the tonight's jackpot estimates of Ultra Lotto 658 and Super Lotto 649 for December 29, 2024, Sunday. Thank you for watching this 5pm video for Sunday, December 29, 2024. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.